Razer turns its gaming phone into a laptop in new Project Linda prototype. For a couple of years running now, Razer has flaunted a bit of model innovation at the Consumer Electronics Show trying to emerge. This year, the organization has uncovered Project Linda, which resembles a PC yet goes about as a dock for the Razer phone that transforms the cell phone into what's basically an Android-based PC. Venture Linda goes up against a frame like the Razer Blade Stealth PC, yet replaces the trackpad with a docking port that associates with the Razer phone by means of USB-C. The telephone's screen is reflected on the Project Linda's show and the telephone itself turns into the trackpad. In specific versions, the telephone can be utilized as an optional screen and work like a friend application. While the Razer phone has a 1440p 120Hz show, Project Linda, in its present frame, is just outfitted with a 13.3-inch 1080p 60Hz screen, in spite of the fact that Razer said it anticipates coordinating the two gadgets' resolutions and revive rates in another cycle of Project Linda. All the handling power originates from the telephone, which comprises of a Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 chip and 8GB of RAM running on Android. Just internals in Project Linda are a lithium particle battery and 200GB strong state stockpiling drive. At full limit, the PC battery is said to completely charge the Razer phone 3 times finished. The console has full usefulness on Android and highlights chroma RGB backdrop illumination. A 3.5mm sound jack and one USB 3.0 are worked in also, and you can associate mice by means of USB. Task Linda doesn't have a discharge window or value go as it's still in the idea stage. Razer has a background marked by flaunting model advances at CES that don't hit the market. 2014 had Project Pristine, a module-based PC tower, and 2017 brought us Project Valerie, a triple-screen PC. Notwithstanding, Linda is by all accounts the most reasonable idea of the cluster. For additional on Razer tech, make certain to peruse and watch our Razer phone survey or our Razer Blade gaming workstation audit. We've likewise got a glance under the most favorable conditions gaming equipment at CES 2018.
Let it go.